everybody, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and in today's video we're looking forward to sharing with you all part 1 of our wonderful trip to Hafan Y Mor, Mum.
We are. It was so lovely to be able to have the time away at Hafan Y Mor in Preseli for your birthday.
We hope you all enjoy part 1.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. A morning framed by golden sunlight. A morning close friends travel together. Never wanting this to end. Singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end. Everything in perfect plan. Now let's ride. High expectations. Great winds are blowing. When we go out to catch the waves, to catch the waves. Let it carry you, carry you. Let it carry you. On my way.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere right.
Time to enjoy a vegan royale and some of the chips from the chippy here at Hafan Y Mor. Now time to go to the arcade. What a beautiful evening for a lovely walk around.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get in a safe place. I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here.
Off to our adventure. Really can't wait.
It's so good that they're going to have 2 people with you.
Absolutely brilliant. Can't wait.
That's it, one in front of you and one behind you.
Yep.
So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promise.
Move along now.
I know, I can't wait.
'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
It's another beautiful evening. Time to go to the arcade again.
But I will never leave your side. You're the reason to my pride. Never wither and runs dry. And your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend. Our love remains, but not this way. Hold on. Wait for the morning till the sun comes.
Time to enjoy a vegan sausage sandwich before going to pottery painting.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Decided to paint the Muddy Melody elephant.
I think it'd be lovely.
And a nice memory.
Very good memory. It was so much fun we were filming that episode.
Absolutely.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
There are some lovely key rings hanging over the edge here. Got one. Today I got quite a lot of tickets, some lovely prizes, and now it's time to go and watch some of the entertainment. Such a lovely day for a walk by the beach.
I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down.
Now we are decorating a pebble with my name in Viking on the back. We really hope that you all enjoyed part 1 of our Hafan Y Mor trip. We can't wait to share part 2 with you all and share with you all what we did for my birthday.
I'm really looking forward to sharing what else we did, and especially your birthday. So I'm really looking forward now to editing the rest of our trip to Hafan Y Mor and letting everyone else know what we did.
I know, it's so exciting. We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you are new, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd love to know if you've ever been to a haven site. If you have, which one have you been to?
I think that's a great question.
We really can't wait to see you all here next time to share with you all part 2.
Bye!
Take care.